I'm getting bored with Barbies. I hate my tiny toys. I just wanna dig a hole and make a lot of noise. So fit me with a hard hat, drive me to the site. Once I'm pulling levers, it'll be alright. Backhoe girl, I wanna be a backhoe girl. Swinging, swaying, and digging the world. I gotta do what moves me, and so it sure behooves me to be a backhoe girl. My classmates call me crazy, my parents roll their eyes. Grown-ups all around me say I'm lost and quite unwise. But when I'm with my bucket, above it all it seems, not a soul can stop me scooping out my dreams. Backhoe girl, I'm gonna be a backhoe girl. Swinging, swaying, and digging the world. I gotta do what moves me, and so it sure behooves me to be a backhoe girl. You know, it started in the sandbox, a rusty little rig. Something deep inside of me said I was born to dig. I thought we were in heaven, my vehicle and I. Moving earth and gravel, honey, I could make it fly. Backhoe girl, I'm gonna be a backhoe girl. Swinging, swaying, and digging the world. I gotta do what moves me, and so it sure behooves me to be a backhoe girl. Oh, backhoe girl, I'm gonna be a backhoe girl. Swinging, swaying, and digging the world. I gotta do what moves me, and so it sure behooves me. Up in that cab on frolic, with dreams downright hydraulic, a chopper and a spreader. No boy can do it better than this backhoe. Call me a wacko, but I'm your backhoe.